Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Global Computer Institute of Information Technology, lani ka Gciit Society, Southwest Khasi District. Haga khat pratrik unaitung araja apasan kalapin kuburam ye ki san phongut ki samla shinrang bat kanthai ki bala pendam ya ka Shah Hikai ka bakhat sansngi haka electronics but haka electrical appliances repairing bala pelong da ka Gciits training center ha Mawkyrwat kisan phongut ki samla ki bala pendam ya ka Shah Hikai ki deina ka batch ka basaw haki artli ki benta kata haka electronics but haka electrical appliances repairing bala pelong da ka Gciits society. Kini ki Samla ki lapandab ya ka Shah Hikai Pyntbit hapok a scheme Racing and Accelerating MSME Performance bala baitingka da ka World Bank ya ka bala kershan ru da ka tanat rekam jong ka Commerce and Industries jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Ha ka digasngi laidon lang ru Assistant General Manager jong ka District Commerce and Industry Center DCIC Southwest Khasi District uba jilingdo ubala long ru kumukongsan u Inspector of Taxes State GST ba e dong pure u Superintendent of Taxes State GST uba H Khalingdo u Executive Director jong ka Gciits Society uba VW Nongsin berkiwei.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.